Hey everybody, how you doing out there? Mr.Bookman here. And today I'm going to be reading Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Kindness by Kimberly and James Dean. Please enjoy. Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Kindness. Kindness, it's kind of my thing, Pete. 3 things in human life are important. The first is to be kind, the second is to be kind, and the third is to be kind, by Henry James. Guard well within yourself that treasures kindness. Know how to give without hesitation, how to lose without regrets, how to require without meanness. George Sand. Every act of kindness is groovy. Pete. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Remember that happiness people are not those given more, but those given more. Kindness is contagious. For whoever is enjoying a kindness knows how to return one as well. He is a friend more valuable than any possession. Whoever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. There is a chance to be kind to any cat you meet. Love. And above all these, put on love, which bends everything together in perfect harmony. Those who are happiness are those who do the most for others. Being happy is to everyone you meet. Be happy. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. Radiate good vibes. Intentionally gravely is doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. Share kindness everywhere you go. Have you had a kindness show? Pass it on. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. Just one kind meow can warm a heart. Meow. Slow turtle crossing. Be the change you want to see. Kindness is free. Sparkle that stuff everywhere. Good vibes all the time. Be a little kinder than you have to. Be kind. It's cool to be kind. Kind cats are cool cats. Kindness lasts. Your friendship don't fade from the lives we touch. Friends show their love in times of trouble. Kindness is always the grooviest thing to do. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. He's using an umbrella to shade the rain from the birds. Baby birds, aw. And the best portion of a good man's life, his little nameless, remembered acts of kindness and love. Let your light shine. Kindness is the touch of an angel hand. Kind people are the best kind of people. The best kind of people. Kind cats are my kind of cats. Never believe that a few caring people can't change the world, for indeed, that's all who ever have. Kind hearts are the gardens, kind thoughts are the roots, kind words are the flowers, kind deeds are the fruits. Kindness grows the coolest flowers. Yep, always remember to be kind and treat with everybody with kindness, and people will do the same to you. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, smash that thumbs up button, share it. If you're new and came along this reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel, and check out my other readings I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. But until next time, they call me Mr. Bookman, and this book reading is over. Have a good one, everybody, and take care.